Episode 4. From Peasant to Ruler of Japan. Toyotomi Hideyoshi. He was born with nothing, no family name, no samurai blood, no social status. Yet Toyotomi Hideyoshi rose from a poor peasant to become the absolute ruler of Japan. His story is the greatest rags to riches tale in Japanese history. Chapter 1. The Monkey Boy. In 1537, Hideyoshi was born in Owari province to a poor farming family. His father was a foot soldier who died young. As a boy, he was so small and ugly that Nobunaga nicknamed him Monkey, but Nobunaga also recognized his sharp intelligence and hired him as a sandal bearer. Chapter 2. Rising through the ranks. Hideyoshi proved himself repeatedly. At the Battle of Tsunomata, he built a castle overnight, literally in one night, shocking Nobunaga's enemies. He rose from sandal bearer to general in just a few years. Chapter 3. Avenging Nobunaga. When Oda Nobunaga was killed at Honnoji in 1582, Hideyoshi was fighting far away. He made a legendary 200-kilometer forced march back to Kyoto in just 10 days. He defeated Akechi Mitsuhide just 13 days after Honnoji. Revenge was swift, and Hideyoshi emerged as the most powerful man in Japan. Chapter 4. Ruler of Japan. By 1590, Hideyoshi had unified all of Japan, something Nobunaga never achieved. He issued the Sword Hunt Decree, disarming the peasant class. He conducted a national land survey. He froze Japan's class system in place. The country was, at last, at peace. Chapter 5. The Korean invasions. Then came his greatest mistake. In 1592 and 1597, Hideyoshi launched massive invasions of Korea, hoping to eventually conquer China. Both campaigns ended in failure. Hundreds of thousands died. It was a catastrophic waste of resources that weakened Japan. Chapter 6. Death and the End of an Era. Hideyoshi died in 1598, leaving behind a 5-year-old son, Hideyori. In his final days, he wept, asking his most loyal generals to protect his child. They promised. 5 years later, Tokugawa Ieyasu broke that promise at Sekigahara. From sandal bearer to ruler of Japan, Toyotomi Hideyoshi remains one of history's most extraordinary stories of ambition. Subscribe for more. Next episode, Usuji Kenshin, the God of War.